Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. What is the correct way to insert a needle in overlock machine? Looks like very easy but very important question. Many of you have years of experience in this machine. But as per my experience, I have lots of customer and subscriber who know this machine very well, but they don't know how to insert a proper way needle in this machine. So without wasting a time, let's start the video. First of all, in overlock machine, we can use 16 number needle. Many people also use 14 number needle, but for this machine, 16 number needle is suitable. This is the detail of the needle. Now, this is the overlock machine needle, right? See, this is another needle. For your better understanding, I am give you demo in this needle. See, in overlock machine needle, there is a one space. You can clearly see there is a space in this needle. The same space in overlock machine needle. Now, what is the correct way? See, the needle is set in back side. So in your front side, you have to set needle on this way. See, this is the front side and this is the back side. This space is going to back side. And another important tips, the hole of the needle should be middle, like this. See, what is the function of the needle and looper? See carefully. The looper is going to this space and come back. This is the basic function. So it is very important to insert this space in back side, and when your hole is in center, then you got a very good stitching. But some people insert needle in wrong way. If you put this hole in a wrong way, like little bit tilt right side or left side, then the problem is your stitching pattern is not proper. So when your needle hole should be here or here, not middle, then this will happen. See, there is a space between stitching pattern. See, so it is very important to insert a needle in a right way. Now I am giving you the demo how to insert a needle in overlock machine. The first and important thing, needle should be proper. You can touch here, so you can feel that needle is okay for our overlock machine. If the edge of the needle is not proper, then change the needle. Now, see carefully. You have to push the needle above. Now you can clearly see the hole of the needle is in center. So sometimes it happens that you insert a needle and you don't push needle in a proper way in needle bar, then there is a problem in stitching pattern. So insert needle and push with the help of this kind of things and push above side. So it will proper insert in needle bar. Then tight this nut. When you put needle in the right way, then you get this kind of stitching. See. See, you have to adjust stitching pattern from here. If you don't know how to set a proper stitching pattern, then this video is for you. I am give link in the description. So this is the right way to insert needle in overlock machine. If you still have any query regarding this video, You can write down on comment section. Thank you very much. Keep watching Stitching, Repairing and more.